Good morning, this is Adam, and today we're going to look at this fantastic Varidesk standing desk. And we're going to give you what some people are saying about this fantastic desk. First, Paul says he's been a longtime fan of Varidesk, purchased dozens of these, and when he moved to the electric standing desk, he decided immediately that the competitors were out. This thing is built to last. CD said, the desk replaced my standard desk at the office. I researched Vari, as well as saw other reviews. This thing's absolutely amazing, very happy with it. Sets up his 2 monitors and 2 laptops without any problems. Another 5-star rating from K Sledge, whose desk you see here. I like that they have their headphones clipped off the edge. They got the reclaimed wood version, 60-inch version with crossbar. I say I just bite the bullet and get one for yourself. 5 stars all the way. Pretty nice desk actually, and really a cool look to it. Very professional. This user says they got it as a birthday present. They've been very happy with it. William says, handles a heavy computer with ease, fairly stable, even without the crossbeam. Also bought a Varidesk cable tray, and it integrates nicely. So go ahead and order today. You won't be disappointed.